building your resume, your first year is so important. Like, I don't know how other people do it, but at least us with class of solution engineering, we got the chance to take some time to learn stuff, to look for opportunities, to network with people, right? And same thing as what you did. Like, I think at least we had like Sangeeta and Frank that kind of pushed us towards having an Oracle resume, right? But when I applied for this job, I went back to my Nash portal document. So they made us basically fill a document with all of the stuffs, projects that we've worked on. And it was so easy for me to go back and basically build my Oracle resume. I call it Oracle resume because I put only things that I did in Oracle, right? Not I did put things that I did outside. Like, for example, I was a teaching assistant for a Java introduction class, right? But still, it was so easy for me to actually tie things down or back to product management, right? And that wouldn't have been possible if I wasn't open to saying yes to everything, even if I didn't know what I was signing up to.